See this seed? If I plant this seed and take a very good care of it, it can grow into something as beautiful and majestic as this tree right here. Just one small seed, one small action, can result in a magnificent tree that provides a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people and absorbs more than 48 pounds of carbon dioxide annually. Similarly, one small action in treating your old tech the right way can lead to a better future for yourself and for somebody else. You're not just disposing them safely, you're planting the seeds of sustainability. Every device disposed contributes to reducing environmental harm and supporting those in need through our sustainable initiative. Join us in making a difference. Contact us today to learn how you can contribute to a greener future with us under proper ESG compliance and data security. Call us